Okay, folks, grab your popcorn, because the buzz around the iPhone 17 is officially wild. Rumors have been swirling for months, but things just got way more real. Everyone, from die-hard Apple fans to casual users, is dying to know what Apple's cooking up for the next iPhone drop. And guess what? Unbox Therapy, the tech whisperer himself, just dropped a video showing off some super convincing iPhone 17 clones. These replicas are the closest we've seen to what the real deal might look like, and the star of the show. The iPhone 17 Pro Max. It looked really polished, like this could be the final product polished. The clone gave us a solid look at some of the big design shifts Apple might be making. We're talking a sleek aluminum frame, glossy glass back, and an all-around fresh vibe that makes it stand out from anything currently in Apple's lineup. The iPhone 17 Pro in particular looks like it's heading in a totally new direction. Apple's been all about innovation when it comes to materials. Remember when they switched to titanium with the iPhone 15 Pro models? That was all about making the phones lighter without compromising on durability. But now, according to a new investor note shared via McRumors, it sounds like Apple might be doing a bit of a U-turn. Analyst Jeff Pu from GF Securities says Apple's planning to use aluminum frames again for 3 out of the 4 iPhone 17 models. That's the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max, the only one sticking with titanium. A model reportedly called the iPhone 17 Air, and yep, that's a new name in the mix. So, what gives? Why the switch back? Turns out, it might be all about going green. Aluminum has a lower carbon footprint compared to titanium, and with Apple pushing to make its entire product lineup carbon neutral by 2030, this move makes a lot of sense. Sustainability, people, it's not just a trend, it's the future. Why would the thinnest iPhone, the rumored iPhone 17 Air, get the titanium treatment? We're not totally sure yet. It could be that Apple's using a mix of titanium and aluminum to keep things light but strong. Or maybe they've got some top-secret structural design magic in the works. Either way, it sounds like Apple's really trying to balance weight, strength, and environmental impact in clever new ways. Early hands-on with these clones has definitely raised the bar for what we expect in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. What's your take? Are you excited about the new materials and design shift? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm super curious to hear what you all think. Until next time, take care and stay hyped.